Okay, so we plug the power in, we hear the initial click, come to the front of the TV, we look at the LED, we press the on button, the LED comes on and comes back on, right? So sorry, it goes off and then comes back on. Do it again. Hear the initial click, LED goes off, no image, and the LED is back on. So I'll show you how to fix this. Very easy fix, just 3 components that you need to replace, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and taken the back cover off this TV, and we'll look at where the problem is. There's your power supply. The problem is within this board here. So what we'll do is we'll plug this in. We hear the initial click. We see it's wanting to start up, but it doesn't. So I'll go ahead and press this again. So we hear it click. Doesn't want to start up. So what I'll show you is you want to be certain that you're getting your VA, your 5 volts, as well as your VS sustainable voltage going through this board here. So we'll go ahead and test that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and hooked up our multimeter to the TV. The positive lead has gone to the last terminal here, which should read 5 volts when the power supply is on, and the ground lead is just chassis ground. So go ahead and plug this up, observe what the multimeter does. So it gets its 5 volts and then it shuts down straight away. So we'll go ahead and press the on button of the TV, see what that does. So same thing, you can hear it clicking, wanting to start, but something's stopping it. So we'll go do that again. Okay, so same thing. So now what we'll do is we'll disconnect the power first, and then we'll disconnect this lead here that comes directly from the TV, from the power supply to the Y sustain board. So go ahead and plug this on again. Observe that, so shuts off. Now we'll press the on button. Okay. So 5.17, which is 10% range, which is okay. With that disconnected, we can tell that the power supply is good. It's giving out correct voltages. So now we know the problem is with this Y sustain board. So we'll take that board out and I'll show you which components you need to change. Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken the board out of the TV. Now the model number of this board reads EAX62846401. That's the Y sustain board. So if you need to order a new board, that's the part number you need. Now here are the components that you need to replace. So this one here, you'll find that it's shorted. So the RG2006, 30F124 and the RD2004. So these are the particular ones that are shorted in this board. So if you have the particular issues that is described in this videos with your TV, then these are the 3 components that you'll need to replace. On the reverse side of this, here they are. And also this resistor right here is one that you'll need to check and replace if it's bad. So apart from that, we'll go ahead and replace these with these parts that I've ordered off eBay. So quite cheap. I think it was about $3 per pack. That's shipping included, so you know that's an easy fix for this one. So we'll go ahead and replace these parts with the bad parts there, and we'll put it back into the TV and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so I've got our multimeter set up, the board's back into the TV. Now let's power it up and let's see. So we plug it up, we get our 5 volts, sustainable 5 volts there. Now we go to the front of the TV and voila, there we go, it's back to life. So just remember, we replaced 3 components on the Y sustain board, which were the RG2006, RD2004 and the 30F124, which are found under these heat sinks here. I'll put the part number in the description below and you can check it out. Hope this video has helped someone out there, and thanks for watching.